Okay, hello everybody. So in this very short and simple tutorial, I will show you guys how to install Python on your Windows PC. We will do three things in here. So first we will check that you don't actually have Python installed on your PC already. Then we will go to the official Python website and download the Python installer and install it with that. And then we will lastly check that you have actually installed the Python correctly on your PC. So let's start by going down here to open the command prompt, which will allow you to check if you actually have Python on your PC or not. So open it, and then let's go to the search bar and write for command or com, and it will open this black looking thing here. And to open the command prompt, you can run it as administrator in here and click yes, and it should open the command prompt right here. It's this scary looking black box, but it's you don't really have to know all the details that it does, but you can just follow me and check if you have Python installed or not. So you can write here to this flashing thing Python space dash dash and version and hit enter, and it should say, if you don't actually have Python installed, it should say Python was not found. Okay, so let's close this down. And now, since we don't have Python here, we will go and download the installer. So let's open the browser and let's write here python.org, and it should open this sort of looking page. So this is the official Python web page, and in here, up here, you have this section called downloads. Click it and it should take you this kind of looking page, and in here you have this yellow button here, but don't click it just yet. We don't actually want that, but we want a standalone installer that's below here. So it will say Python and then the version here, and just click this and it will start downloading the Python installer to your PC. So now it has downloaded it for me, and I will click this and it will actually open the Python installer. So now we have the installer open. I'm just gonna close down the website because we don't need it anymore. So in the installer itself, you will have couple of things that you can do here. But first, before we actually install the Python, we will want to check this box down here, which says that add python.exe to path. You can also use admin privileges, but actually I don't do that right now. So I'm just gonna hit install now, and it will start the installation of Python, and this might take a short moment. It's usually quite fast, but it might take a second or two. Alright, now the setup was successful, and we can close the installer down, and now we are just gonna want to do a small double check to see that we actually have Python installed in our computer. So go down here to the Windows Start menu again and search for the command prompt again, and then let's hit again run as administrator and yes, and up here we have the same black box open. Let's just again write here Python space dash dash version, and let's hit enter, and now as we have installed Python successfully, it says Python and then the version number and basically nothing else. So yeah, that's it. That's how you install Python on your PC, and now you're ready to do whatever it is that requires Python. So thanks for watching. See you in the next time.